This guide will introduce 5 methods in detail to help you transfer music from your iPhone to your Honor phone. Part 1. How to transfer music from iPhone to Honor using the Device Clone app. Clone app is designed for transferring data from your old phone, including iPhone, to a new Honor device. Step 1. On your new Honor phone, open the Device Clone app or go to Settings, System and Updates, Device Clone, then tap This is the new device. Step 2. On the Select Old Device Type screen, choose iPhone iPad. Next, download and install the Device Clone app on your iPhone, open it, and select This is the old device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your old device to the new one. Step 3. Once the connection is established, select the data you want to transfer from your old device, such as music, then follow the prompts to complete the cloning process. Part 2. How to move music from iPhone to Honor via Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. This tool allows you to transfer music from iPhone to Honor in just one click. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Connect both your iPhone and Honor phone using their respective data cables. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure both devices are detected by the software. Step 2. Once your Honor and iPhone are successfully connected, the interface will display as shown. Ensure your iPhone is set as the source device. If it's not, click the flip button to swap their positions. Step 3. Select the music option and click Start Copy. Wait for the transfer to complete, and your music will automatically be available on your Honor. Part 3. How to copy music from iPhone to Honor with iTunes. For users who already use iTunes to manage their music, this method allows you to first sync music to your computer and then copy it manually to your Honor device. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable. Step 2. Once iTunes detects your device, click File Devices, transfer purchases from your iPhone to save your iPhone's purchase music to the computer. Step 3. On your computer, navigate to the folder path C. Users your Suriname Music iTunes Media. Locate the music files that were transferred from your iPhone and move them to your desktop for easy access. Step 4. Connect your Honor phone to the computer using a USB cable and select File Transfer or Android Auto mode on your phone. Then, open this PC on your computer and go to your Honor's internal storage or SD card folder. Step 5. Drag and drop the music files from your desktop to the music folder or any folder of your choice on your Honor device. Wait for the transfer to finish, then safely disconnect both devices. Part 4. How to sync music from iPhone to Honor with Google Drive. If you prefer a wireless cloud-based method, Google Drive can help. Step 1. On your iPhone, go to the App Store and download the Google Drive app if you don't already have it. Then, open Google Drive and log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Step 2. Tap the plus icon in Google Drive and select Upload. Step 3. Choose Browse or Files on your iPhone, then select the music files you want to upload. The upload may take time depending on your internet speed and the size of your files. Step 4. On your Honor phone, open the Google Play Store and install the Google Drive app if it's not already installed. Log in with the same Google account you used on your iPhone. Step 5. Browse to the folder where you uploaded your music files. Step 6. Tap on each file and select Download to save the music to your Honor phone's local storage. Step 7. Open your Honor's built-in music player or any third-party app to play the downloaded songs. Part 5. How to download music from iPhone to Honor via Snapdrop. If you only want to share a few tracks, Snapdrop is a fast and lightweight option. Both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone and Honor phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A stable connection ensures a smooth transfer. Step 2. On both devices, open a browser such as Safari on iPhone and Chrome on Honor and go to snapdrop.net. Step 3. Wait a moment, and you will see the two devices appear on each other's screens automatically. Step 4. On your iPhone, tap the Honor device's icon that appears on the Snapdrop page. Step 5. A file selection window will open. Choose the music file you want to transfer from your iPhone storage. Step 6. The music file will immediately begin transferring to your Honor device through the local Wi-Fi network. Step 7. On your Honor phone, you will see a prompt asking if you want to accept the incoming file. Tap Accept to start downloading. Step 8. Once the transfer is complete, open your Honor's Downloads folder or Music folder to find the received song. Step 9. Play the file using your Honor's default music player or any third-party player you prefer.